You can move to any worksheet by clicking on the worksheet's name. So if I wanted to go to worksheet 6, I'll just click here. Or sheet 8, for example. Now, in a workbook with a large number of worksheets, it can be hard to kind of find the one that you're after. So you might want to click here to scroll to the right. Oh, there's sheet 13. But even this scrolling can take a lot of time and be confusing for users. So what you can do is right-click on these arrows, and that will bring up the Activate window. Here, you can click on any of your cells, and if you double-click on them, you'll be taken there. Sheet 16. Now, a couple other shortcuts here. Let's say we're somewhere in the middle. We can't see sheet 1, and we can't see our final sheet either. If you hold Control and click this arrow, it'll bring the first sheet into view. And if you hold Control and click this one, it'll bring the final sheet into view. Now, there may be times where you don't want to go all the way to the beginning, in which case you can just hold Shift while you click on this, and that'll take you one page to the left, or one set of sheets to the left, and you can do that heading right as well.